Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 lagging slow problem. First method is disable apps run in the background. Second method is disable startup apps. Third method is change advanced system settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.